Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 5th Standard Science online class. Students, now look at these pictures. These are honeybees, isn't it? The honeybees give us honey. So, students, in today's class, we will learn about the honeybees and the uses of honey from the honeybees. Okay? So, rearing of honeybees for getting honey is called as apiculture. So, what is apiculture? Apiculture means it's an activity of rearing the honeybees for getting honey. So, this activity is called as apiculture. Here the word epi means honeybee. Culture means rearing. Okay, so rearing the honeybees is called as apiculture. So what is apiculture? Rearing of honeybees for getting honey is called as apiculture. Students, there are three types of honeybees. They are the female queen bee and drones. This is a male bee. Okay, then the worker bee. So these are the three types of honey bee. Okay. Students, the nest of the honey bee is called as a beehive. Honey bees live in the beehive only. So the beehive is a home of honey bees. Students, there are three different types of honey bees are there, isn't it? So now let's learn about these three types of honey bees. See, this is a queen bee and this is a male drone bee and this is a worker bee. Okay. So these three bees live in beehive. Okay. Okay students, now let's learn about these three types of honey bees one by one. So now look at this first picture. So this is a picture of the queen bee. Each beehive has only one queen bee. Queen is a female bee. So each bee home has only one queen. So only one queen bee is there in each bee home. Okay. So only one queen is there in each bee hive. So how many queen bees are there in the bee home? Yeah, very good. There is only one queen bee. Okay. Then the queen bee lives up to 3 to 4 years and it is very larger in size. The queen bee is very larger in size compared to the drone and worker bee in the bee home. Okay, so it is very larger in size and it lives about 3 to 4 years only. The main function of the queen bee is to lay the eggs in the bee home. Students, now look at this picture. This is a picture of the male bee. The male bee is called as drone. Okay, so it is called as a drone. Students, it is very smaller than the queen bee. Students, usually the queen bee is larger in size. This is a drone, isn't it? The drones are smaller than the queen bee in the bee home. Okay. Then it lives about 57 days in the home. So this is a male bee. The male bee is called as drone. Usually the drones are smaller than the queen bee. So students, the drones are the male bees. They are smaller than the queen bee and they live about 57 days. Students, now look at this picture. This is a picture of the worker bee. Students, the worker bees are usually very small in size. They are usually very smaller in size compared to the male bee and queen bee. Okay, so they are very smaller in size. Students, the worker bees are male bees only. Then they live about 6 weeks. Okay, and there are so many worker bees are there in each bee colony, and they do all the works in the colony, so they are called as worker bees. Okay. Students, the worker bees do all the works such as collecting the honey, look after the young ones, protecting the home, and cleaning the home, etc. So students, these worker bees are very smaller in size and they do all the works. Okay. So students, each bee colony has 3 types of honey bees. They are, the first one is queen bee. There is only one queen in each colony. It is a female bee. The second one is drone. It is a male bee and it's smaller than the queen bee. Okay, and the third one is worker bee. It's very smaller than the queen and drone. They do all works. So these are the 3 different types of queen bees live in the bee colony. So students, rearing of these honey bees for getting honey is called as apiculture. So what is apiculture? Rearing of honey bees for getting honey is called as apiculture. Okay. Students, usually we get honey and bee wax from honeybee colony. Okay. So now let's learn about the uses of honey and bee wax. So the first one is uses of honey. Students, the honey is very sweet, tasty, and it is used as a food. Students, it prevents cough, cold, fever, and relieves the sore throat. So, when you take honey, it prevents cough, cold, fever, and sore throat. So, students, the honey prevents all these problems. Okay. So, it is used as a good medicine to prevent these problems. Next, bee wax. So this wax secreted by the worker bee in the bee home. Okay, so this bee wax is used to make some facial creams, lipsticks, candles, shoe polish, etc. Okay. So students, the rearing of honeybees for honey is called as apiculture. There are 3 types of honeybees in bee home. They are queen bee, drones and worker bees. Okay, thank you.